Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this amazing spider for the outdoor decoration for this upcoming Halloween. So let me show you what it has in the box. Of course, the super big spider, and it has a few surprises inside of it. And this is the power brick, and this is how you will be connecting the power brick to the spider, and then you will go outside, of course, and install it. I'm gonna show you how we are installing it right here. Let's just stretch it out and extend it as much as we can, and then just connect the power brick to the power outlet, and let's start seeing how it will start inflating. Okay, so it is really big. You need a very good yard or front yard to put these as a decoration for Halloween. It looks really cool during the day, but it looks much better during the night. I will show you in a bit. So it has the legs, the spider legs, and the eyes, and of course the bite teeth that it has, and the belly. It comes in these different colors: black, red, and white. And this is how it looks when it's fully inflated. Okay, now let me show you like the dimensions in comparison with a grown-up. Here is how it looks in comparison with a grown-up, the size of it. Okay, so let me show you. Here it is. So as you can see, it's really big and long. You can put it like if you have like somewhere to put it hanging, you can do that, or you can just use these cords that it includes just to install it and secure it from the wind on your yard. Okay, these will be like buried on the grass or the ground, and this is how you will be doing it. I will suggest to use like a little bit, maybe one or two more, just in case that you have a very windy day. And here we are just enjoying the Halloween day and how you will be seeing this spider as a decoration either in your front yard or your backyard. Here is Spider-Man, and it's a perfect custom for this spider that we have. Okay, so now let's just see how it looks at night. Are you ready? Here it is. And as you can see, it has a light up. It lights up very nicely, and it has these little skulls in her belly, and also the red eyes as well. And it is blinking its eyes, and also the colors of the little skulls on her belly are really amazing. So the kids are here really enjoying how it lights up and how it looks. They were not afraid of it. They were very excited to see the lights. So I'm sure that your kids and your neighbors will enjoy this spider decoration as well for this Halloween. So this is the zipper and how you will de-inflate it. Okay, so you will be opening this zipper right here, and here you will be able to see the charger that it includes and how the lights come up. This is like the light projector. It is here, so I will suggest not to drop it because you can break this. So just be careful with this and make sure that you seal it very well once that you are going to install it back again.